Why do we walk on two legs while other primates don't? Why do different cultures have different marriage rules? What makes us human? Welcome to Anthropology, the science of humanity. Anthropology is derived from Greek. It is a combination of two words. Anthropos means human, logos means study. So simply study of human beings. Anthropology definition: it is the study of human beings, past, present, biological, cultural, linguistic, and archaeological aspects. It helps us to understand the humans from beginning. It has four main branches which are socio-cultural anthropology, studies human societies, traditions and cultural practices across the world. And the second is biological or physical anthropology, examines human evolution, genetics and biological diversity. And the third, archaeological anthropology, explores past human life through material remains like tools, pottery and ruins. And the last, linguistic anthropology, analyzes how language shapes and reflects human culture and communication. Importance of anthropology: by studying anthropology, we can understand diversity. We know very well India is a diverse country, and knowing about those are so interesting and helps you understand their customs too. Debunking racism, caste and inequality. It helps to understand their situations. Most tribes still facing inequality. Connecting ancient past to modern humans. It helps to know more about our ancestors, their livelihood, and we can compare it with our modern ideologies and practices. Relevance to UPSC: it helps to understand tribal issues, ethics, society, which helps in General Studies Paper 1 and Paper 4 and also for essay. Why you should study anthropology? Most UPSC aspirants wants to choose a subject which is interesting and also scoring. So anthropology became one of the favorite subjects because of its less syllabus, more static content and less current affairs oriented. Repeated questions and themes directly, we can easily understand the subject without coaching or guidance. Even for general learners, means who are not preparing for UPSC, also find fascinating insights about human life and helps to improve their knowledge about humans. So not everyone succeeded with anthropology optional, but people with right mindset and interest can succeed. So everything should be done by our own interest. No need to follow anyone blindly. Choose wisely but always keep efforts. That's it for this video. In upcoming videos, we will explore more content related to anthropology and also about General Studies Paper 1 to Paper 4 essay in a systematic manner. So if you think this is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, you can ask in comment section. I am happy to share my views. Thank you all.